How to reverse money on the Capitec app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily reverse your transaction or money on the Capitec app. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right into the video. The first thing you want to do is install the application on your device and open it up. Now, from here, you just want to log into your account. So you will be landed on the login page right here. So if you already have an account, you can simply click on sign in, and then if you don't have one, you can open an account. So if it's for your personal use, click on continue. Now once you log into your account, you'll find different options there. So you'll find an option to add your debit card as well, and from there you can just simply view your debit card information, and right besides your debit card information, you will have an option to stop the transaction. And once you do that, now once you click on your debit card, you will be able to find all of your transactions. So click on your preferred transaction, and then you can just simply stop the transaction. And after you do that, you will be able to reverse your money or your transaction on the Capitec app. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.